Hi everyone, welcome to another fun and exciting video. Today we are going to unbox and assemble the Kidsmate Champ Tricycle. Step 1. First cut the tapes and open the tricycle box. Now take out each part of the tricycle from the box. You will get the following parts: a foldable canopy to protect you from the sun, a back and front basket to store your toys and snacks, a cozy cushion seat to sit on, a backrest with a safety guard rail to keep you secure, the handlebar to steer your tricycle, the rear wheels and the front wheel to roll on, the sturdy metal frame, the push handle and the directional rod for your parents to help you. Let's start assembling your awesome tricycle. Step 2. Install the rear wheels. Locate the button on the frame and press it. Attach the right wheel securely to the frame. Repeat the same process for the left wheel by pressing the button on another side of the frame. Rotate both wheels and make sure they are properly fixed and functioning. Step 3. Install the front wheel and handlebar. First, insert the front wheel in the main frame and attach the front basket on top of it. Take a handlebar, press the button and slide it down firmly until you hear a click sound and the button comes out slightly. Then secure it by turning the knob clockwise. Step 4. Install the tricycle seat and safety guard rail. First, press the button and open the footrest. Take a safety guard rail, attach it to the tricycle frame's bracket and secure it with nuts. Make sure the nuts are tight enough to prevent the rail from wobbling or falling off. Now attach the seat to the frame. First, unscrew the nut knob from the seat. Next, position the seat over the frame and make sure it is aligned properly. Then tighten the nut knob back. Step 5. Install the foldable canopy. First, unscrew the knobs of the canopy. Next, insert the canopy in the backrest pipes. Make sure the holes on the canopy and the pipes are aligned. Then secure the canopy by screwing the knobs back into the holes. Lastly, attach the fabric to the frame by pressing the Velcro strips together. You can customize the canopy position according to your preference. Step 6. Install the parental handle. First, unscrew the nut and detach the hook plate. Slide the handle into the small tube on the frame. successfully assembled your new Kidsmate Champ Tricycle.